Good evening mga kahabi. So this is now our rabbit kits, the third batch babies of Moana, and then there are now just 8 of them because the one of the kits died yesterday. I don't know what happened, but I found something in its feet. I don't know if it was bitten by a rat or just, I don't know. I really don't know because we don't have a camera in here. But hopefully, these 8 kids will really or can really grow, and then no more casualties. So I'm really looking forward that they will really grow. And then if you notice, I've added some cartoon because all of the 4 are really gone because the floor palette have a big hole, and then the other breeding materials like the grass was eaten by the mother or their mother. And then if you notice also the cardboard, the cartoon are also passing through the floor palette because it has a big hole. So we'll just continue observing these kids and let's provide them whatever they need. So we can already see it's 4 also. So they've started developing their own 4